Welcome once again to our Business Pe Charcha series. We discuss a variety of business problems here on this platform. Today we will understand what are effective ideas that can be managed in a low budget, at a low cost, in marketing for a small and medium enterprise. Let's hear it from our speaker, Mr. Kripanand Chidambaram, Business Head of Mark Creative. Listen to it carefully and please implement in your business. And yes, marketing can also be done at a low cost.
My second question was that suppose if we have to say, you have to talk about 3 best low-cost marketing strategies, only 3. If suppose you had to choose only 3 for your client, which 3 would you choose?
Okay, so again, I would suggest for nurturing your existing contacts sphere, saying all this while you might have already done this pest control for about 1 lakh customers, correct? A newsletter and constantly being in touch with them, maintaining the top of the mind recall with all your existing customers is a must. It's a very, very inexpensive. I would say you can keep a budget of as low as 8 to 10 grand a month.
Okay.
With that budget, you will be able to effectively keep building that top of the mind recall. That is something I would suggest. And again, the search engine also. That's also very, very, very inexpensive to do. Again, you can keep a budget of about 7 to 10 grand maximum. So by that way, people can start discovering. Like for example, now I am sitting in Navi Mumbai and in Vashi, and we are trying to search the best pest control service provider. And if Google starts recommending you or it start appearing the first page, it is very, very powerful, phenomenally powerful. And you can achieve that by just about 8-10 grand of budget a month.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, saying that landing page या जो call to action, जहाँ भी हम customers को कर रहे हैं, अगर if they call and they inquire about the company, that experience is also very important.
Yeah, it is very important. So when somebody lands up in your page, it is your identity, correct? They see you, and especially when it comes to website. So you need to have the story. I mean, people don't want to spend 2 hours or 1 hour to figure out what you're servicing and how you're trying to solve their problem. In fact, first 30 seconds, anybody lands on your website, first 30 seconds they need to figure out, okay, these service providers can solve my problem. So it's very important that you're able to establish that initial period itself. So you need to have a very strong digital identity. So in fact, in continuation to what Manoj had asked, so I think a simple 15 to 18,000 rupee budget, or maybe even at tops, a 15k kind of a budget is good enough in a month to start. Once you start getting results, you'll get that confidence, and I think you can build it from there. But I think this could be the bare minimum thing you can start. I think obviously 15,000 being a fairly affordable budget for many of us here. I think if you take those first steps and over a period of time, you will also gain confidence. You will have that the whole hypothesis getting built, and you will be able to then say, okay, I'm going to spend more money, I'm able to get that result. So when that start happening, so that relationship between 1:10, or the multiple of 10 starts getting established, I think you will start getting the confidence, and you will know that, okay, from next year onwards, I will at least start keeping 10% of my projected turnover as my marketing budget. So that will start happening with ease.
There is a question with us where a lot of people want to know about कैसे decide करें. You know, when you go to a service provider, people recommend you so many things. So if you, and I say marketing budget is a mix. उसमें digital रहेगा, कुछ traditional रहेगा, depending on the times, depending on your business model, depending on the geographical reach that you want to have. क्या है? What is ideally? How do you look at a marketing budget? Fair idea. Any parameters to calculate that?
Okay, so let us make it very, very clear कि पहला, when you look at marketing, so a lot of people now, I mean, digital marketing is the fad now. It's in fashion now. Everybody's talking about the digital marketing. So I would rather say that you never tell that there's something called as digital marketing. My opinion is always like this: marketing पहला clear रखो, marketing को core रखो, और digital as a medium को use करो. ठीक है, there's a lot of confusion. People take it completely reverse. क्या करते हैं लोग? इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड कर लेते हैं, BSc IT करते हैं, और वो एक कुछ कोर्स कर लेते हैं कि कैसे फेसबुक ऑपरेट करना है, कैसा गूगल एडवर्ड्स ऑपरेट करना है, एंड सडनली दे स्टार्ट क्लेमिंग दैट ओके आई एम अ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एग्जीक्यूटिव. But they don't know anything about marketing. They don't understand what is targeting, what is segmenting, what is positioning. They don't have any clue about it. So marketing is the core aspect of it. That has never changed. Only the medium has evolved. Initially marketing क्या होता था, newspapers में होता था, flyers होता था, वो जाके traditionally if you see street में that they used to have this drum and they used to go to street and street, okay. So but again the concept was there, messaging was there, attention seeking was there, वो concept सब था. The only thing is that the things have evolved. Then newspapers लोग पढ़ते थे, magazines पढ़ते थे, people used to have that reading habit. तो newspaper में डाल दिया, ये कर, वो सब हो रहा था. Then hoarding, TV ads. Then at one point of time, at least last 18-20 years में TV commercial was very very big. Satellite जब channels वगैरह open up हुआ था, that was very very huge. So TV operas and news channels came in. So TV commercials became the big way. And उसमें क्या हुआ था, it was always big brands who could take that leverage because it was very expensive. TV commercials are fairly expensive, at least 40-50 lakh का minimum budget रखे. एक तो पहला you need to create those concepts for slots and all those things है. सिर्फ एक slot कर दिया, 3 लाख का slot करने से नहीं होता. It has to be repeated and stuff. Now with the advent of digital medium, वो थोड़ा democratized हो रहा है. So that's the power of social media. In fact, if you see, it is true in politics also. पहला क्या है, all the political communication was very very managed. It's only the few news channels who could completely create the narrative. So you saw that only certain political parties could maintain control of the people's mental mind space. Correct? Now with the social media coming in, क्या है, the democracy क्या है, मैं directly I can communicate one to one. So the same thing for brands को भी होना start हुआ. So now I can directly communicate to my consumers, but the concepts of marketing remains the same. How do I seek attention? How do I position myself? How do I communicate very effectively to my target audience? The need of consistently talking about my brand and services. वो सब same है. वो सिर्फ medium change होगा. So somehow I never like this word digital marketing. I would want to rather say that marketing using a digital medium. So that means first, why I feel marketing, many of them are not able to adopt is that talent available nahi. Unfortunately, we have so many marketing graduates coming out of all these MBAs and everything. उनको एक basic concept भी पूछो what is marketing है, what is positioning है, they are lost. वो सिर्फ bookish कुछ definition देते हैं, but somehow they are not able to understand the science of marketing, the art of marketing, the psychology of marketing. Unfortunately, वो नहीं समझ में आता. Very few talented marketing minds there in the country, and जो भी है, they only work for larger brands and bigger brands.
So talent is available, but कम है, तो it comes at a cost, which small and medium enterprises are not able to afford.
Session. Glad to be here. BLL. So glad to be part of BLL.